case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1900, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Ohio Oil Company versus Indiana, which centered on the state's authority to regulate natural resources such as oil and gas in the interest of protecting both private property and the public interest. The case emerged from a lawsuit in Indiana, in which a plaintiff argued that a state law allowing the regulation of natural gas and oil use violated their property rights by taking their private property without fair compensation. The court, however, clarified that property rights for natural gas and oil only exist once they are physically possessed, allowing the state to regulate their use and waste in order to prevent depletion and protect the interests of all resource owners. In its analysis, the court concluded that the law in question actually served to protect private property by preventing one owner from taking resources without considering the enjoyment of others. The majority opinion found that the argument claiming the law constituted taking of private property without adequate compensation was self-destructive and would ultimately lead to the waste of the entire resource. Ultimately, the Supreme Court ruled that Indiana had the authority to regulate natural gas and oil deposits in order to prevent waste and protect the interests of collective owners and the public. The court agreed that the law in question safeguarded private property by ensuring it could not be taken by one individual without considering the enjoyment of other owners. The decision of the lower court was upheld by the Supreme Court.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.